You are spending thousands of rupees every month on LinkedIn ads to generate high quality leads. A customer submits your LinkedIn lead form, but instead of getting instant response, they have to wait because your sales team is busy, someone is unavailable, or the follow up simply gets delayed. And that's exactly where businesses lose potential customers. Now imagine this: the moment someone submits your LinkedIn lead form, AI automatically reads the customer details, understands their requirement, and generates a personalized response. And not only this, that AI generated response is automatically sent to the customers on WhatsApp. As you can already see on your screen, this entire automation is happening automatically in real time. And today I'll show you exactly how to build this complete AI-powered workflow without writing a single line of code using all-in-one automation tool called Pabbly Connect. But before we start building it step by step, let me quickly explain what's happening in this automation. We have three simple applications working together. First, LinkedIn lead ads. Second one is OpenAI, and the third one is Pabbly Chartflow. LinkedIn lead ads capture every new lead. OpenAI analyze the lead details and generate an intelligent personalized response, and Pabbly Chartflow automatically sends that AI generated message to the customer on WhatsApp. So that's the complete workflow we'll build from scratch in today's tutorial. So if you are already a Pabbly Connect user, that's great. But if you are new, simply open a new tab and go for Pabbly Connect and complete the sign up process. Once you create your account, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. I am an existing user of Pabbly, so I'll click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now, why am I using Pabbly Connect here? The reason is simple. Pabbly Connect lets you connect different applications without writing a single line of code. It automatically transfers data from one app to another in real time. It supports thousands of applications, so you can build powerful automations for almost any business. And the best part, it's beginner friendly, so anyone can create the workflow in just few minutes. You can also create and try this workflow yourself using the free trial available in the Pabbly Connect. And at the end of this tutorial, if you found this tool helpful and decide to purchase Pabbly plan, then don't forget to use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout to get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. See, after reaching the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, for creating a new workflow, you just have to click on this plus create workflow button. So there are three ways to create a workflow by using Pabbly Connect. The one is create from scratch, second one is create using AI, and the third one is create using quick builder. All of these are best, but in this tutorial I am going to create a workflow step by step from scratch. So for that I am clicking on that option. After that, here you need to enter the name of the workflow. That I enter WhatsApp AI automation connect LinkedIn leads to OpenAI. After that, the folder I am selecting as Pabbly Connect and clicking on this create button. See, our workflow is created successfully. Now this right here is the most important step of doing any automation, name as trigger. Trigger says when this happens. This is the first application you have to select for creating your workflow. So in this tutorial, my objective is that whenever I received a new form submission through my LinkedIn lead ads, then automatically this automation gets triggered. So for that, I'm going to select my trigger application as LinkedIn. After selecting the application, the app event I'm selecting as lead notifications. So you will find out multiple app events. You can use it according to your use case. After selecting the app event, I am clicking on this connect button. If you have an existing connection, then you will go with this option. I'm going to add a new connection, so I'm selecting this option. After that, I'm clicking on this connect with LinkedIn. Next, the Pabbly Connect is asking me for my permission, and this is how easily you can connect your LinkedIn account with Pabbly Connect. After that, here you need to select the sponsored account that I'm selecting as Pabbly's ads account. See, this is the same account that I'm using right now, Pabbly's ads account, and I am running the ad in a default mode. After selecting the sponsored account, account. Next, you need to choose the response format. There are three options. The one is simple, second one is advanced, and the third one is raw. If you want to receive a response in simple format, then you can select this option. If you want to receive a response in advanced format, just like a foreign key value, structure, data, or an array, then you will select this option. And when you select the response format as raw, then you will receive the exact JSON that you will receive from the webhook. Here I am selecting the response format as simple and clicking on the save and send test request button. See, I have received the positive response and also starting for a webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, I am going to take you to my LinkedIn campaign manager. See, this is my LinkedIn ads campaign manager and this is the ad that I am running right now. So I'm directly going inside it. Now for getting this webhook response, I am going to apply on this ad by clicking on this button. See, this is the lead form and inside it I have entered the test email address as well as the phone number. As I already told you, I am running the ad in a default mode. That's why the first name, last name and the company name is automatically coming like this, that is Pabbly, full stop and magnet brains. But when you done the setup, you have to enter these data manually. Means you have to enter the first name, last name and company name by your side. After completely filling the form, you need to click on this submit button. See, the form has been submitted successfully. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not. Here you just have to wait for a few seconds and you will see I have received the response containing test details. This means that the connection between my LinkedIn account and the Pabbly Connect is working perfectly. Now the setup of our trigger application is completed. Moving forward, I am going to select my action application as OpenAI. Action says do this. After selecting the action application, the app event I am selecting is generate response using text input. Next, I am clicking on this connect button. If you have an existing connection, then you will go with this option. For adding a new connection, you just have to select this option and it is asking you for the token. So for getting this token, you need to go towards your OpenAI API keys page and click on this plus create new secret key button. After that, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. Select the project type from here, provide the permission and click on this create secret key button. And this is how easily you can get your API key. And I want you to know that for generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. Now I am copying this API key from here and pasting it in this field. After pasting the API token, I am clicking on the save button. And see, my OpenAI account is going to be connected with Pabbly Connect. See, this is where the real intelligence comes into the workflow. On the previous step, we have only captured the lead details. But from this point onward, AI starts thinking. Means it reads the customer information, understand the contacts and generate a personalized WhatsApp message automatically. I'll show you how it will work. See, here at first you need to select the model that I am selecting as GPT-4o Mini. You will find out multiple types of OpenAI models. You can select it according to your choice. Now here in this field, I am going to enter the prompt. Here I have added the prompt. Now comes to the most important part, that how this prompt is going to be dynamic for each customer. So to do this, you need to do the mapping. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic. As different customers have different data, so for capturing each customer information dynamically, mapping is used. To do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in front of this first name field, I am going to the mapping of this test first name, that is Pabbly. After that, I am doing the mapping of last name, that is full stop. Next, the company name as Magnet Brains, email address and the phone number as well. We see I add and mapped only some fields here, but you can add more. Here my objective is only to teach you how you can create an automation by using Pabbly Connect. After this hello to, I am doing the mapping of the test first name, that is Pabbly. As again and again I am saying that I am running the ad in a default mode. That's why I have received the test responses. But when you do this, you need to map the real inputs. After that, the background processing mode I am selecting as immediate, returns the full response right away. And if you want to enter the maximum output tokens, then you can enter it in this field. After that, I am clicking on the save and send test request button. See, within a second, the OpenAI will create a personalized reply based on the data that I have mapped, as it includes the name after this hello, that is Pabbly, and it is fully personalized. In place of this Pabbly, automatically the customer name that you have mapped here will come. and almost everything. So this is how OpenAI worked, and I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually, you just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. Means every time when a new lead comes through your LinkedIn lead ads, then automatically Pabbly Connect will capture the customer data. After that, it will send to the OpenAI. OpenAI analyze their details and create a personalized reply. Everything happens on the background. You don't have to do anything manually. Moving forward, I'm going to select my next application as Pabbly Shortflow. Here I'm using Pabbly Shortflow for sending a message to the user's WhatsApp account. Pabbly Shortflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. You can use the same coupon code for Pabbly Shortflow subscription as well and get amazing discounts. After selecting the application, the app event I'm selecting as send text message and clicking on this connect button. If you don't have existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection, and for getting this API token, you need to go towards your Pabbly Shortflow dashboard. Once you reach there, on the left hand side below, you will see one option by the name of settings. Just click on it and you will find one option by the name of API and web. Once you go inside that option, you will successfully get the API token. So copy that token from here and paste it in this field. I have already an existing connection, so I am selecting this option and clicking on this save button. See, the connection is saved successfully. Now in this recipient WhatsApp mobile number field, I am going to do the mapping of the contact number that I have received from the previous application, that is this LinkedIn lead ads. See, here I have mapping, and I already explained you about what is mapping. With the help of this mapping, automatically this contact number will change based on the customer input. And one more thing, the number will include the country code without plus sign. Moving forward, here in this WhatsApp message, I am doing the mapping from the response that I have received from this OpenAI, means this AI generated reply. Here I have mapped. Next, these are not required fields, so I'm leaving these blank and directly clicking on the save and send test request button. And you will see I have received the positive response, that is status as success and messages sent. Now I'm going to show you my WhatsApp account as well. See, immediately I received a new message, and this message is generated by using OpenAI. So this is how automation works. As we have successfully received the message on our WhatsApp, this means that our action step is also working perfectly and our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. So this is the easiest way to connect LinkedIn leads to OpenAI and WhatsApp. It will enhance your customer experience and give the real boost to your business that they really need. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.